Boston. Boston, come on, let's go outside. Out in the snow. Let's see what it looks like. Oh, shit. Holy crap. Oh my god. I'm not kicking it. Come on. Come on, Gizmo. Let's go. Yeah, right. Like they'll come that way. Alright. Now the snow looks like it's about almost 2 feet. So let's see how they're going to go to the bathroom. Holy crap. And it is still snowing. Go boys, go potty. As you can see, the house is completely full. Snow.
Show all this up. Wow.
Look at Gizmo.
What is it?
He's shoving his whole face in the snow. Look at him.
Oh my god, he's a weird dog.
Look at Boston. He doesn't want to go to the bathroom.
I don't blame him. Would you?
But he's got to go pee. You having fun, Gizmo? He's making a hole. He's starting my igloo.
Oh my god, no, that dog is not normal.
Go, Boston. You gotta go. Go. Go pee. Go. Follow Gizmo's steps.
Poor Boston.
They look like they're not going all the way in. So that's good.
Well, at least
You have the door open.
Oh shit.
I don't think they'll want to come out anyways. They're following each other's paths.
Oh my god. Poor baby.
Good job, Gizzy. You saw him chugging through?
You made a path for your brother.
I'm trying to get up. You can't even get up the stairs because there's no stairs. Good job, baby.
That dog's not normal.
Let's see Boston try to get through.
Look, I'm dropping the ashtray.
Yeah, because there's an ashtray. It's gone. Let's see Boston trying to go through. Yeah, look at the ashtray.
Oh,
Look at the snow.
God.
Oh my god. Let's see Boston trying to come through. Oh, he's making the path.
Take that.
Did you get to it? Did you turn it on? Oh, I don't hear it.
I don't hear it either.
You warm?
Yeah, it's different in my eye.
Snow?
He's not normal, Adam. Huh? He's not normal dog. Holy crap. Look, branches.
I know. You're a weirdo.